Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to start a short but polite conversation in English. When you suddenly meet someone on the street or while you're on your way somewhere, how can we do a mini conversation with them? Come with me. First conversation. Hi, good to see you. Hey, good to see you too. I'm actually on my way to the class.
No worries. Take care.
You too. Bye. Second conversation. David, I wasn't expecting you to see.
Same here.
Can't talk right now, but let's catch up soon, okay?
Sounds good. Bye.
Third conversation. Hey, long time no see.
Hey, girl. How have you been?
Good, Amanda. I'd love to talk, but I'm late for something. Let's talk later, okay?
No worries, girl.
Next conversation. Hey, Stefan.
Oh my god, girl.
It's nice bumping into you, but I gotta go. Let's talk later, okay?
Okay. Goodbye.
Next one. Hello, how's everything?
Hey, darling. All good. You?
I'm good, but I won't keep you. Take care.
You too, darling. See ya.
Next conversation. Oh my god, fancy seeing you here, Jacob.
Hey, where are you lost to?
I'm heading to the pharmacy. You?
I'm on my way to the gym.
Nice. Alright, catch you later.
See ya.
Next one. Hey, what a surprise!
Oh my god, where are you heading?
I've got a doctor's appointment. What about you?
Just picking my kid from school.
Okay, gotta run. Take care.
Okay, girl. Bye.
Next one.
You?
Mark!
Oh, girl.
Hey.
Didn't expect to see you, girl.
I'm just grabbing a coffee. You?
On my lunch break, needed some fresh air.
Alright, see you around. So yeah, that's all for today. So I hope these mini conversations will help you feel more confident when you speak English in real life. Try them next time you bump into someone. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more language tips. See you next time.